the previous video, I showed you the capabilities of the Snap-on TPMS5 and how it can copy any set of IDs and learn them to vehicles that do not require an OBD2 module. However, with the vehicle like the 2021 Toyota Tacoma that does require OBD2 plug-in in order to perform the relearn procedure, you will need either a diagnostic scan tool or the unit I've got with me today, the Snap-on TPMS5. As you can see, I've got to update mine. Let's get that going and show you how you can perform the relearn procedure on this vehicle. So the first thing we're going to do here is in the vehicle selection menu, select our 2021 Toyota Tacoma with alloy wheels. Now while in this vehicle menu, select replace on the top bar of your screen. After that, choose the One Direct sensor. Using the visual guide, I do know that I'm using the aluminum clamp-in sensor. Then after choosing set and copy set, we're going to go back outside and trigger all of our already installed sensors. After retrieving those IDs, we can copy them into our new sensors and install them. And now all that there's left to do on our end is to get back in our vehicle and finish performing the OBD2 relearn procedure. And just like that, we are now all ready to go. The relearn has been complete and this vehicle is ready to be back on the road. And just like that, we're all set with this 2021 Toyota Tacoma, thanks to the Snap-on TPMS5 and of course, the Simming Tire Supply One Direct dual frequency sensor. Thanks so much for tuning in.